Picture this. You visit a website and up pops the Accept Cookies button. You think cookies? Yum! But these aren't for eating. They're digital spies silently munching on your browsing data. Ever notice ads stalking you? Yeah, those cookies just tip them off like gossip-loving roommates. When you click Accept, imagine a wild party starting in your browser. Cookies are like guests collecting secrets, what you watch, search, or even click. They hand off this data to advertisers who can now throw tailored ads your way. Congratulations, you're the internet's new best friend. Or snack. Not all cookies are sneaky. Some help websites work smoothly, like remembering your cart. But others, they're straight-up gossipers, oversharing with third parties. You wouldn't let your nosy neighbor follow you into your house. Unless you really love them, no judgment. So why give websites this power? Learn to manage your settings, allowing only essential cookies. Click Manage Cookies next time and feel like a digital detective who investigates which spies are allowed to stay. Now you know accepting cookies isn't just casual snacking. Stay informed, protect your data, and laugh at the chaos of online tracking. Oh, and tell us, what's the weirdest ad you've been served after clicking Accept? Let us know in the comments.